Nobody left yet. California, and it's the first day of Valley Speedway. Never been here before. It's a beautiful area over here, lots of mountains and everything. Temperature seems to be good. It's about let's see, 50 degrees in the morning, but it's like around 9 right now. So let's see what happens today. I'm super excited for this place. See you guys there. Famous road to Valley Speedway, which is known to be ridiculously bad. It's kind of weird that I know that. So this road is so bad that people in the Netherlands actually hear on social media that it sucks.
This is a very cool facility that's been going on for a long time. I think it got super famous off of the Super D timelines. That's perfect.
What's up?
But the best spot is honestly at the end of the first turn.
Just didn't hold air. So what kept happening is that this dust boot kept like looking like it was vacuum pulled or something. It's because there's like air developing there, so I put this little straw in there so the air can get out. We got the big cool guy over here.
What's up, dude?
How you doing? Good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
Congrats with the whole thing.
I appreciate it, man.
I kind of expected it, of course, after we played in Vegas, but really cool stuff, man.
I appreciate it, man.
My man Fielding, my man Dustin.
You want to see what's on the script today, Wow?
What's on the script today? That's what I'm here for.
A couple of spare diffs strapped to my bash bar.
You're trying to get more grip?
Yeah. No, I just had to get them here and I had no other way. I had no trunk.
It's probably gripped up as crazy right now. Why do you need two of them? You're not sure which one is good?
Just in case. Just in case.
Quick change time.
Yeah, that's right. That's
Quick
right.
change time.
Except they're all the same ratio. There's nothing quick or changing about them.
No, I mean get a quick change.
Oh, yeah.
Would have saved you so much
I'm not fancy
stress.
like you. Then I would have just broken my transmission, so.
Yeah, get a G-force. You know how this goes.
Just get one.
Little pit walk for you guys. Got the C7 Corvette out here. Nice S14. Of course, our buddies from North California with the Drift Team Anti-Heroes. Love those guys. Nice little M50 Turbo E30 coming up over here. The fixed and welded guys. I feel like Arthur has a super nice car. Like, I love that car. Really good styling. Daniel's doing the whole track in first gear, I guess.
First gear.
Man.
First gear.
Yeah,
it's fun. It works.
Was your transition mid-valley or something, right?
Yeah.
So mid-valley dog box, but it sadly failed second gear. So this man is, but good thing he has the V8. Never too late with the V8, so they get you out of some troubles. We got this man over here. Is your car running again? Are you good?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just liver tired.
Ah,
I like it a lot.
This is super nice. Like, this is a really cool guy. Just met him on this trip, running the Corvette C5. My buddy George, that you've known from previous Drift Weeks, has a little small bit of problems over there. Nice, like semi-stock E36. That's pretty cool. Of course, there's a lot of people out here. Also, a lot of pro car drivers that live really close here, so they came to check it out. There's the dudes to do all the tire changing. They also do all the tire changing in the Jeep. The Lino guys, of course. And then we're going to be showing up here. This Felino Mike E36 M3 Rome Sharp and Chase practice car right there. There's a really cool Supra owned by Rad Dan, and there's the IS that you guys have seen in the previous videos. And there's Colette Davis who brought the Z. Adam is in the S13 coupe. The Drift Games guys from Ireland, still of course in the Drift HQ E46 M3. Jordan's car. Jordan is doing nothing on the strip except changing tie rods, like he's probably changing tie rods right now. Are you changing tie rods or not?
No more tie rod changes. I'm over that. We're just gonna drive with what we got, bro.
Good. Jordan's over that. Duarte's F80 M3. Chris and those guys did a great job rebuilding that engine. Savio, of course, right here with the Corvette running legit. Back there, it's Micah Diaz, who owns the sickest car in FD. Like, that's like my spirit animal, that car. V8 E46 black, like rear mount radiator, very much like we do it. He brought his car over here, which is extremely stylish for a very simple car, like perfect fitment, really cool. Let's see, this thing is like luxurious as hell on the inside. Look at that. Running that stock handbrake.
That's plush ostrich leather right there.
Look at that.
I spent all of BMW's funding on developing this chassis.
Yeah. Cool LS E46. There's Seth Waldron, my buddy from Utah, all the way from Utah over here. How's it going, friend?
It's good. This road is fucking terrible.
Oh man, I was thinking about you the whole time. I was like,
took a wrong
I
turn.
think that this sucks so much, wait until Seth and those guys are over
We
here.
took like one wrong turn, and there was like this like massive rocks and speed bumps, and I was like, we had to stop and turn back around. Like,
It was, I was doing literally, I was about to depress my clutch in first. That's how slow I was going.
yeah, same. So terrible.
Crazy shit. Fielding is doing your usual fielding stuff, of course, all scripted reality out here. Really cool Mike Paris with the LS Supra. The guys from Texas, Street Legal Dudes, running the Corvette and the Mustang. Of course, Carolyn Evan taking care of everything out here that we need that's not related to cars. Here's the dudes making us dinner. Loved it so much. Thank you guys so much. And like I said, we got a lot of really big names coming up over here. Mr. Odi Bakchis, Field Suspension, of course, a really good guy. We sell his products, so always happy to meet him. Dylan Hughes has brought his E36 with him. That's like a practice car, looks similar to his FD car. We got Savage Sai is over here. Sai is my friend, he's also Savage, my car. Nick Novak, Prospect driver, he drives one of the best cars in FD. The RTS built E46, that used to be the car from Alex Helbrun. He runs it now, super cool car. Here's some of my favorite guys on Drift Week, the crash style guys, like they really live up over here. Super cool, go all out. Love this E46 with a 2J, super cool graphics, really cool stance, like has those low side skirts, almost like a Japanese styling on E46. And here's the dudes, here they are. The funniest guys on the whole goddamn paddock. This man was munching, which is bad, but if it's on a ridiculously bad dirt road, it's kind of okay. And he's doing all kinds of gangster shit out here. Like, I don't think I've ever seen this in 18 years of drifting, so that's a first. Good thing.
Just a perfect cookie cutter hole.
Yeah, that's a good thing that you did the same thing in Musselman, so all the bolts are like still,
Yeah, still
you know?
feel bad for shutting down the track.
Man, this is like crazy. going great. The car is spot on. Really happy with the car. Not much changes, like the front suspension. Sorry for that. The front suspension is here on medium grip setting. Some sections of the track would require a little bit harder front section, but to be honest, like the last part of the track really isn't that exciting. It's a little bit slow and it's like left, right, so I'm not even drifting that. I'm doing the entry, as you've seen in the videos, and drift the two corners right behind that, and maybe the long right-hander after that, but like the little left, right section, I don't really drift that. So super happy with this car. Cool to have this track also scratched off the list. What's going on, guys? It's like the Corvette problem area over here.
We're just swapping tires here, that's all.
What happened to your fender, man?
I don't know, it's in Arizona somewhere.
Oh no way.
Just went whoosh.
No way! On the highway?
Yeah,
Jesus Christ.
that was the least of our problems. We everything went wrong. We pulled in the gas station, alternator was gone, starter was fried, fans were fried, headlights were fried. So we rewired the whole car in 4 hours in the parking lot. Not me, but Nick did. What happened here?
Oh, Nick, yeah, he's the best. So the sun is setting in the desert. My buddy here, Dustin Hash, did you have a good day?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Did you like the
No
track?
bad days.
That's true.
Right.
Did you like the track? What was your favorite one so far?
This is the first one I've actually got to get considerable amount of laps on.
Oh, man.
So yeah, Drift Week started for me today.
Cool.
We got 5 days left, counting today. So maybe I can actually make a 5 business day week drift week.
Oh yeah,
you know?
it's still a drift
Yeah,
week then.
Yeah.
The car looks so cool.
I'm right on course with Duarte for track days.
Exactly, Duarte and you are like
and he
both
owns
on.
a drift company, so
You're still doing all right. Like this car, like as you guys see in the, I'll pull up a video of it right here. So it's basically a truck. It's a 53, right?
The truck is a 48.
Or 48 even.
Yeah,
48. Oh, your
pickup's a
cab
48.
over is a 53.
Cab over is a 50.
A 50, right?
But
So
that area, they all kind of look similar.
it's a 48 truck, but it's actually a Corvette. And if you see that car move, like it's surreal because it moves like a Corvette, but it looks like a truck. So super cool.